I know. Steady.
Settle down. I didn't realise this when we were coming up here tonight, but Eli's in the audience. Wow.
Well done.
Don't feel sorry for him because he's a sneaky little prick. We've already worked this one out. He's a little prick, like this. It's too much.
Alright, there we go.
So you good, Sammy?
I'm very well.
And Eli, just shut up, all right?
Oh.
Nothing? You want to use mine?
No.
Bang. Anyway, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and non-gender specifics. That means you, Sammy. Yes, so it's nice to be here tonight, Nick. And
Frankie, at our age, is nice to be fucking anywhere, quite frankly, Frankie. I'm Nick the Noise. I'm a bikie. It's the bikie's lips.
there we go. All right, now we got a little song for Eli. Oh my Oh yeah, Eli, you're a sneaky little prick, and make me sick with a tiny little bit. But I ain't gonna cripple, cause I like the way you dribble. Go on, Eli. I love Eli. He's a good boy. All right, Eli's a good boy.
We love Eli. He washes the floor and cleans at the same time.
Very good, yes. So,
He's sort of.
I want to know what happened to his girlfriend. Where's your girlfriend, Eli?
I think he ate her. She's got 2 drumsticks that tasted like chicken.
Yeah. Okay, so
Fuck him!
So anyway, I'm Frankie Rooster, and I've been in the Catholic education system for almost 33 years.
He hopes to graduate any time now.
I'm going to bless this audience here. Here we
He
go.
does this really well. He does.
Sono nome di Padre, se Fili, se Spirito Santo, vaffanculo a tutti quanti.
That last bit he stole from Michael Jackson. I don't think that was a
I'm just going to move on here because if we hurry, we can still make the last game with bigger than the Bowls Club.
I don't care about that. I just want to get to the bar before they fucking close.
You sound like fucking Lurch there, Eli. Shut up. Alright, here we go. You're right there, you're right with this microphone. We're going to get this
I
going.
can't get this microphone happening at all.
Microphone technique is very important in stand-up comedy, right? Without good microphone technique, you end up sounding like that person in Coles or Woolies.
Customers, get your condoms and check out 3 customers.
Alright, here we go.
Hey, Eli, if you're funnier than me, then I'm fucking doing what you're doing, man.
Right. Well, we didn't write this song, some other dickhead did. We're really glad of that, cause it's a piece of shit. It doesn't even rhyme, well maybe just this time. It's only got 2 chords, so we can go all night. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, that's the chorus. That's the chorus of the song, and we want you to sing up in this chorus. And to practice, here we go. All the guys in the audience, here we go.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
All the females in the audience, here we go.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, tie, fuck your mom.
All the non-gender specifics.
That's very murky, that one.
We might go there. All right, Nick. Here's a word you don't hear in a song that often. Obstreperous.
Obstreperous?
Yeah, obstreperous.
How would you put obstreperous in a song, Frankie?
Let me see. Well, my girlfriend is obstreperous. In fact, she's quite the country girl.
Give me a heart attack.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh
All
yeah.
right. Ladies and gentlemen, Nick the Noise will now do an impersonation of a helicopter smashing into a pile of red jelly.
This? Whatever. Here we go. This goes radio on.
actually adopted a koala recently. No, we did. We adopted a koala.
We did?
We have actually a framed photograph of the koala. Would you like to see him? Would you like to see the famed photograph of the koala? You're supposed to say yes. Yeah. Would you like to see a framed photo? Okay, here we go. Here's a shot of the back of his head. Here's a 3D interpretation of him. And for the first time, ladies and gentlemen, on any stage in the world, for the first time, a koala brown-eye.
Well, nearly.
Right, here we go.
See, koala said, Kevin the koala said,
Hey mama, fun's supposed to be lumpy.
Yeah.
oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Oh, sorry.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. They're like, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. Na 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 na.
What the fuck does that mean?
Well, see, Nick, it's an ontological piece of mystification which distracts the observer from realising their own abstract reality. To wit, they fail to acknowledge their own conscious existence and are currently performing pineapple sex in some toilet block in Gosford, New South Wales.
The penny drop. So that's a subject of Cartesian dualism.
Exactly. Ah, yeah.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. I don't know, never know.
I want you to be obsequious.
Obsequious? Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
With my pants on or off?
Whatever.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you guys are fucking fantastic. You are the best audience out of all the audiences we've ever had. I think that you would have to be the audience we're having now. It's fantastic to have you along. I reckon. Is that enough?
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah,
oh yeah,
oh yeah, oh yeah. And you're ready to
Makes sense.
You know what?
What?
This only got 2 chords to this song.
I know.
You know what? I'm going to throw a third one in.
Well, hang on. This piece of shit is fine the way it is. You know?
I think I need to throw a third one.
You'll break a finger.
I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it.
Here we go. Woo! Oh, right!
Now it's a piece of shit.
I got half a semi then, just when you did that.
All right, you ready for the big finish?
I am.
All right, here we go. Thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Don't fucking start that shit.
We do a lot of songs in our show. We're going to do a medley of our hit now. It's a song.
I want for the money, I do for the show, get ready and let's roll, so come on.
You've heard of Elvis and Pelvis, right? This is Nick the Dick right over there. We actually do have adult content in this show, so we recommend the parental guidance system for reviewing the rest of this content.
Mommy, help me, mommy.
Don't worry, sweetie. Uncle Rolf will be babysitting us.
Oh no, Mr. Handy again.
Yeah, yes, him, sweetie. Him, sweetie. You're supposed to say the last bit. We got a Japanese love song we like to do entitled
Oh. I know. Oh.
Properly translated, that means one Powerball and we're out of there. We'd like to do a little song in the click language of the African sand bush people right now. Nick actually learned click language by watching the Real Housewives of Namibia on